Are you trying to fix this error? Failed to initialize video. Your GPU may not be supported graphic drivers. Let's fix it. This is a complete guide to fixing this error in OBS Studio. But you have to follow each and every step shown in this video. Solution 1. Head to your search bar, type in Graphics Settings, and open it. In the Graphics Settings, select Desktop App, hit Browse, navigate to your program files, find and select the OBS Studio folder, go to Bin, choose 64-bit, and then click on Up 64x. Now OBS Studio is on your list. Here's the crucial part. Hit the Options button and select Power Saving or High Performance. Depend on what type of your GPU is. This will optimize your graphics card's compatibility with OBS. Save these settings and launch OBS to check if this solution works. Solution 2. Some of you get this error in Windows or 8, and OBS is not working due to DirectX compatibility issues. So the solution is using software called DXCPL to allows user to emulate DirectX. I'll leave the link download in the description, or you can search for it on Google. Now we download, then install the software. Open it, navigate to Edit List, click on 3 dots, find your OBS folder. Click on Add. OK, tick on Force Warp. Now launch OBS to see if this works. Solution 3. Using a software called Driver Booster to update all the drivers for audio, video, USB or other devices on your PC that have become obsolete and that may adversely affect the performance of your computer or cause system errors. This tool lets you search for and identify outdated drivers and will automatically download the updates you are missing. Navigate to this address, then download, install and run the software to update. That's it. Like and sub if these work for you. Thank you for watching.